Welcome once again to video class of mathematics for class 5th. And today we are going to start exercise 6th E. Question number 1, part A of 6th E is find the smallest number which when divided by 14 and 21 leaves no remainder. So here to find out the smallest number, what we are going to do is we will take out the LCM of 14 and 21. So first we will take out the factors of 14 and 21 separately. After that we can see the LCM of 14 and 21 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that means 42. So now students, the smallest number which when divided by 14 and 21 leaves no remainder will be 42. So 42 will be the smallest number. One B. Find the smallest number that is divisible by 27 and 36. So here also first we will take out the prime factorization of 27 and 36. After that we will take out the LCM of 27 and 36. So the LCM of 27 and 36 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. So here we are having LCM of 27 and 36 will be 108. So the smallest number which will be divisible by 27 and 36 will be 108. Question number 3, part A. Find the smallest number that leaves 5 as remainder when divided by 36 and 54. So for this question students, here also we will take out the LCM of 36 and 54. So for taking out the LCM of 36 and 54, we will find out the factors of 36 and 54 separately. So here we can see that 36 is having factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And here 54 we are having 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So now we will find out the LCM of 36 and 54. Here the LCM of 36 and 54 is 108. Now this 108 is fully divisible by 36 and 54. But we have to find out that smallest number that leaves 5 as remainder when divided by these two numbers. So for finding out that number, we will add 5 with 108. So the answer is 113. So 113 will be the smallest number. Number 3, part B. Find the smallest number which when reduced by 2 becomes divisible by 24, 48 and 64. So students, for finding out that number again, we will find out the LCM of these three numbers. And for finding out the LCM of these two numbers, we will follow the prime factorization method. After that, we will be having LCM 192. As you can see, 192 is fully divisible by 24, 48 and 64. So the smallest number which when reduced by 2 will be 192 plus 2. So 194 will be the smallest number which when reduced by 2 will become divisible by these three numbers. So our answer will be 194. Now question number 5 is Jack and Jill stand on the same tile of a tiled floor. Jack starts jumping to every third tile in a row and Jill starts jumping to every second tile in that row. Which is the first tile on which both land? So students, here Jack is jumping on every third tile, means the tile on which he will jump upon will be the multiple of 3. And on other hand, Jill is going to jump on every second tile. that means the multiple of 2. So for that we will find out first the LCM of 3 and 2. So the LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. So here the first tile on which both Jack and Jill will land will be 6th tile. So 6th tile with the first tile on which they both will land. Number 6 is the alarms on 2 mobile phones ring together once. Okay. If one rings every 15 minutes and the other rings after every 25 minutes, after how many minutes will they ring together? So students, here also first mobile phone, its alarm will ring after 15 minutes, means it will ring in the multiple of 15. Okay. And on the other hand, the second mobile, its alarm will ring after every 25 minutes, means multiple of 25. So first we will take out the LCM of 15 and 25. So here students, LCM of 15 and 25 will be 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that means 75. So the alarm of both mobile phones will ring together after 75 minutes. So after 75 minutes both alarms will ring together again. Now students, it's homework time. You have to do question number 2 and 4 in your notebook. That's all for now. See you in the next class.